everyone, welcome to Asian Home Kitchen. Today we're making easy orange chicken. Yes, we all know it's popular in US, especially at the Panda Express. You know it, right? Okay, it's my favorite as well. Today I'm gonna make my version at home and let's see how it turns out. This is the first time for me to cook it. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we have to do is marinate chicken. I'm gonna cut to bite-sized pieces. If you don't like the fat, you just remove it out. Alright, after chicken done, we're gonna going to mix the batter. I'm using the all-purpose flour. If I say something wrong, just be nice, okay? I'm gonna add about 1/3 cup. Here we go. Now, 1/3 cup of cornstarch. Oh my gosh. A little messy, but everything gonna be okay, okay? Add the egg. 1/4 tablespoon of the baking powder. Just 1/4. And a little oil. The reason why I use the baking powder because it can make the chicken more tender. So I add more a little oil because the oil can make the chicken tender, moist and juicy inside. So you can use any kind of oil you like. So today I use olive oil. That's my favorite oil. Just like that. Okay, the next step we're gonna add a little bit salt. Okay. And then add white pepper, a little white pepper. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. I use Thai oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon each fine. And then add water, a little bit at a time. When you add water, add a little bit at a time to make sure how thicken you like. I like to add about 7 to 100 milliliters of water. That's my batter I'm looking for. It's a little thicken. Add a chicken in. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it. So we're gonna chill it about 30 minutes to an hour, okay? Next, we're gonna make the sauce. Okay, to make the sauce, I'm gonna go ahead to use the orange juice. I mean the fresh one. If you don't have it on hand, you just go ahead with the orange juice in the bottle. That's fine. I need about a half cup of the orange juice. We're gonna squeeze it. Whew, smells so good. Don't forget to wash your hand, okay? Alright, 2 tablespoons of ketchup. 1/3 of brown sugar. 3 tablespoons of white sugar. A little salt, about a pinch of salt. And 1 tablespoon of honey. Oh, look at my honey. This is not good that way. I'm gonna use this way. About everything gonna be fine. Don't judge me, okay? Okay, 1 tablespoon. About 1 tablespoon, okay? About 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Oh my god! 1/3 of soy sauce. Now I'm gonna add Mirin, non-alcohol, about 2 tablespoons. And 2 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna give it a whisk until everything combines. Grated garlic, just a little. And then ginger, just a little. That's it. Turn the heat. Our sauce in. Use medium to high heat. Let it simmer. I'm gonna go ahead mixing the cornstarch with water. Mix them together. Add some more. Add more, a little water. Alright, set it aside. Oh, smells incredible right now. Now it's simmer. I'm gonna turn to over low heat, and then I'm gonna add my cornstarch. I'm gonna add a little chili powder. Alright. Maybe more. Okay. Look at that. It's really thicken. It looks really delicious. Turn the heat up. Set it aside. Add the chicken in the pan one by one. When you fry chicken with medium heat, to make sure the heat through to inside of the chicken, to make sure the chicken really well done. And then turn to over high heat to make sure the outside of the chicken is crispy and crunchy and nice golden brown. Actually, you don't need to worry about the color of chicken because we're gonna mixing with the sauce. Take them out. It looks beautiful. We're gonna take this thing out and then fry the rest of the chicken. Put the chicken in the bowl and sauce. Look at that, my sauce very thicken. This is what I'm looking for. Look at my chicken. It's time to taste. I cannot wait. Put it in the bowl. Cilantro is my favorite vegetable. Ooh, look beautiful. Okay, let's see. The first time I cook, how it tastes. Looks very good. Taste it. Let me taste with my jasmine rice. So good, so good. It's better than takeout. This is the first time for me to make it, but it tastes a lot better than I had before. Seriously, it's more flavor. The chicken juicy inside, outside crispy, crunchy. Oh, it tastes amazing. If you want to try my recipe, check it out in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!